Alright, this is part 2 on how to make a fucking roast dinner. So, we were chopping the vegetables before. Lovely, fucking chop them. Now you gotta get yourself a nice knife to use, because knives are nice to use when cooking. Like that, and you chop them like that. Make sure. Oh yeah, by the way, this is cauliflower. Another ingredient to our lovely roast dinner. Everyone knows, if you don't know what cauliflower is, get out more. Okay. So there's our vegetables. Now the kettle should now be boiled for the vegetables. Oh, the kettle's lovely and boiled. Got me kettle. Got me kettle. Now, this is the workspace. This is an oven. Alright? Young children, do not try this at home. Have a responsible adult to help you. Put fucking hot water on the hob. Okay. So stage 12. Alright, babe? That's my fiancée. She's sexy. Stage 12. By the way, children, one day you'll have a sexy fiancée. Just make sure you remember how to cook this fucking good roast dinner. So, you put the hot water in the pot, like so. Many people will tell you to put cold water in the pot and then boil it with the hob. But why not cheat and use a kettle? Fucking hell, you thought of that one. Alright, so you put your fucking vegetables in the pot. No, not yet. Put a bit of butter in the pot. Doesn't matter what sort of butter it is, as long as it's butter. Right, get your fucking butter, you cut off a nice chunk like so. Doesn't really matter how big it is, I just put a chunk in like that, stick it in the fucking pot, away you go. Right, butter in the pot. Okay. So, now, this is our workstation. This is an oven, pot, butter. So, because your water is already hot, look, we're just going to put the fucking vegetables in the pot. Just put them straight in, fuck it, no matter how you put it in, just get it in there, all nice in the pot of boiling water. Okay? Must be boiling. The idea is, because to make boiled vegetables, you need boiling water to boil the vegetables. It's pretty much, you know, a giveaway. Okay, whilst, oh right, we forgot one ingredient. Salt. For those of you that don't have fancy salt shakers, like this, it's okay. Find that one. Because normal salt will also do. We just add salt for a bit of seasoning. So you put your fucking salt in the fucking pot, and then you get your fucking chicken. What you do with your chicken, this one was already pre-purchased from a supermarket outlet, but you can also cook your own. So what you do with your chicken is you just slice it up. Make sure you've got that nice knife that big fucking nice knife there, knife. And what you do, oh, you must get a couple of plates. I'm getting 2 plates because there's 2 of us eating. 2 of us. So what you do is you get your fucking plates. Plate. Alright. You get your chicken. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, before you handle any food, you've got to wash your hands. Because if you don't wash your hands, you're obviously a dirty fucking cunt. Slice your chicken. Nice thin slices of the breast. Some people like different parts of the chicken. I like the breast. I'm a breast man. Some people like the legs of a chicken or of a bird. But I am a breast man. Don't get me wrong, the legs are quite tender and quite juicy, but it depends what sort of bird you have. My bird is a nice juicy bird. She's a nice sexy bird. She's sexy. It's a sexy bird, sexy chicken bird. Whatever you want to call it. So you're cutting up your chicken. Now the chickens I have pre-purchased have already been stuffed for my convenience. You can stuff your own bird, but again it all depends on the bird you have at the time. Some birds will be stuffed, some just won't allow it. Their passages are too small. Alright, so I've cut my chicken. The chicken is on my plate. Alright, chicken plate. Finished with the knife now. It's a shame because it's such a lovely knife. Put the knife in the sink or in the dishwasher if you have one. Our dishwasher is currently on. For those of you who do not have a dishwasher, it's okay, the sink is appropriate to use. Just putting me vegetables back in the Glad Snap Lock bags for safekeeping. That's the end of part 2.